Let me show you how I use these puzzles to illustrate inheritance patterns in a pedigree. So I found this activity called finding a gene on a chromosome map that uses puzzles to represent people and puzzle pieces to represent genes. In the activity, they show you a pedigree that shows a family suffering from something called whirling disorder. People with whirling disorder dance uncontrollably when they hear the Rolling Stones. I don't know. But they also give you these puzzles that represent some of the people in this pedigree. And each puzzle piece represents one of 50 genes that person has. I first had the students draw out the pedigree on a whiteboard, and then they had to figure out which of these puzzles represents which of the people on the pedigree. They did this by looking at the color combinations of the puzzles and figuring out where they would land on the pedigree. They then had to figure out which gene was responsible for whirling disorder by looking at the pedigree and the puzzle piece numbers. I love this activity for any high school biology class because it's a great way for the students to understand and make a connection between the puzzle pieces and genes. It's also a great way for the students to understand that half of your genes are going to come from your mom and half of your genes are going to come from your dad. And as you go further on, you're going to have less genes in common with each grandparent or great-grandparent or great-great-great-grandparent.